Alright, when it comes to side hustles, everybody is generally talking about the same things. The other more unique side hustles have been pushed into the shadows by things like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and copywriting. And the truth is, I bet you never knew that you could be paid to declutter people's inboxes, tell people how to recycle properly, and even consult people on the types of plants that they should keep inside their houses. And that's why I'm about to show you, tell you, and explain how you can start these 9 unique side hustles that virtually nobody is talking about, and how much you can start earning from them. If you've got an eye for aesthetics or regularly find yourself flicking through the IKEA catalogue, then did you know that you could become an interior design consultant on the side, making anywhere from $30 to $100 per hour? And I don't mean just in your local area, as what's even better than a design consultant is a virtual design consultant, meaning you'll never have to leave the sofa. With platforms like Upwork and House, you can sign up and list your services, allowing clients who lack the creative touch to connect to you to gain your expertise. Now, this kind of job doesn't need any degree or certifications. Instead, the main thing that will help sell yourself to potential clients is a dazzling portfolio. Now, being virtual means no geographical boundaries, so gaining regular clients shouldn't be a problem considering your marketplace is now worldwide. And to start on this journey, I'd suggest refining your design skills a little further than just the IKEA catalogue though, and niche down on your offering. Whether it's kitchens, home offices, living spaces, or kids' bedrooms, focus on one and be amazing at it. If you're a typical Karen and love sharing your opinions about one thing or another, then why not become a professional reviewer? Yeah, that's right. All those long-winded Amazon and Yelp reviews you left before taking up hours of your time? Well, you could have been getting paid for them. Now, this does require a bit of an analytical mind and a flair for expressing your thoughts concisely, as you'll have the option to review multiple things, such as websites, products, mobile apps, and even services, as now more than ever, many businesses are monetizing their review systems. So to start monetizing your reviews, you can think about joining programs like Amazon's Vine program, where you can request free products shipped straight to your door for review. Slice the Pie application, where you'll be paid cold hard cash for writing reviews about different items. Or user testing, which will move you more towards reviewing websites and software. Compensation ranges from product samples to cash payments, depending on the platform you use. But of course, signing up to multiple platforms at once is something I'd highly recommend. Apparently, according to Google, 43% or 3.3 billion people in the world are bilingual. And if that's you, then you need to realize that that kind of skill shouldn't be used only to benefit you for your summer holidays. Instead, you can become a linguistic bridge, offering your language translation services to those in need. This is actually huge, and I see this so often in the job that I do with people wanting their video scripts translated, so that they can produce marketing material for various foreign markets. Fluency, or close to, in multiple language is key to success with this one. With platforms like ProZ and Upwork, clients seeking translation services can connect with you at any time of the day. Earnings do vary based on language pairings and complexity, but skilled translators can earn between $20 to $50 and more per hour. And remember, this is for a skill that you already have, so why not start monetizing it? Now, let's say you dream of traveling, getting lost and being paid for it. Well, the majority of people have always assumed that the only way to make money from documenting their travels is through YouTube videos or blog posts. But what if you became a travel consultant for unique destinations, creating guides and itineraries for those that want to go on the same journey? Well, with platforms like Travel Swift and Zacasio offering avenues to showcase your knowledge, you can become one of their partners, traveling the world and getting paid to put together 3, 5, or even 10-day travel itineraries. Earnings do depend on the complexity of the itineraries and your negotiation skills, with potential earnings ranging from $500 to $2,000. But once you have this information, then there's nothing stopping you from turning this in to your own personal blog post or YouTube video to spread the avenues of monetization. If you're one of those people that just love to be organized and hate the digital chaos of multiple random files spread all over your computer screen, then your OCD obsession could make you money by offering digital decluttering consultations. A digital decluttering consultant typically offers services that help clients manage and organize their digital files and online presence. This can include organizing digital files, managing email inboxes, decluttering digital photos, streamlining social media accounts, and even providing advice on digital data storage solutions. Clients for these services might range from individuals overwhelmed by their digital clutter to small businesses needing to streamline their digital operations. The key skills that you should have for this kind of work are a strong understanding of digital file systems, knowledge of various software and digital tools, excellent organizational skills, which should really go without saying, and the ability to teach and advise clients on best practices for digital organization. Now, rates can vary for this one too, but charging between $20 to $50 per hour is a common starting point. Let's be honest, fashion trends are becoming weirder and weirder by the day. So why not become your own trendsetter in the digital realm as a virtual fashion stylist? So if you're up to date on the latest fashion trends and have excellent communication skills, then to be honest, that's all you're gonna need. By working remotely on platforms like Stitch Fix and Trunk Club, they help connect you with clients seeking your styling expertise. Earnings are commission-based, with potential earnings ranging from $20 to $100 per styling session. Or another interesting platform is Tog Plus Porter, which offers a more personalized approach by conducting video chats with clients to discuss style needs before sending hand-selected clothing. This method is known to lead to higher retention rates as it provides a more tailored experience for the client. Do you believe you've got what it takes to become the next Gordon Ramsay? Well, if you're not ready for the pressure of the kitchen, then what you can do instead is start by offering a personalized service as a customized meal planning consultant. Plate Joy, for instance, is not your typical meal kit service. Instead, it differentiates itself by offering highly customized meal plans tailored to individual dietary preferences and health goals. Or Eat This Much, on the other hand, focuses on automating your diet plan by creating personalized meal plans based on food preferences, budget, and schedule, aiming to help users reach their diet and nutrition goals. But what you can also do quite easily is use freelance platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork to offer the same kind of services for clients that don't want to incur monthly ongoing fees. The earnings as a consultant can vary, with some earning between $50 to $200 per personalized meal plan. Are you the kind of person that washes the peanut butter jar out before putting it into the recycling bin? Then by my books, you're a great candidate for a side hustle in eco-friendly living as a sustainable living consultant. Now, with this side hustle, all you really need to do is educate clients on sustainable practices. For this kind of work, you'll be much better off branding yourself as a Green Queen consultant via platforms like LinkedIn and creating your own personal brand. Earnings depend on the scope of services, with most hourly rates ranging between $30 to $80. Alright, if you love animals and you hate to see porky, overweight ones, then now you can combine your love for animals with fitness by becoming a pet fitness trainer. Yeah, who knew, huh? And there was me thinking that was just a glorified term for a dog walker. But really, you can advertise your services on platforms like Rover and Wag, and what's even better is a lot of the current users don't even offer face-to-face or face-to-dog, I guess, trainings. They also offer virtual trainings. How that works, I have absolutely no idea. But generally, most are earning upwards of $30 per session, and a session can be as short as 20 minutes. And that right there is 9 options for you to start monetizing today, which you probably never thought was possible. So From traveling the world to sitting on the sofa and speaking to dogs all day, side hustle opportunities can literally be anywhere. And if you enjoyed this video, then I'll drop another video link in the description, which I also think you'll enjoy. Otherwise, do me a favor and don't forget to subscribe so that you get prompted when my next video goes live.